In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run your PowerPoint slides automatically during a presentation, and even how to continuously loop your slideshow. This is a fantastic way to create dynamic, seamless presentations, especially useful for kiosks, trade shows, or any setting where you want your slides to cycle through without you needing to manually click through each one. So let's get started. First, you'll need to open PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure you have the presentation file you want to use ready to go. Having everything prepared beforehand can save you a lot of time and potential frustration. Once you've opened PowerPoint, navigate to the specific presentation you have in mind. You can either load an existing one or start from scratch if you haven't created your slides yet. Now once you have your presentation open, you'll want to go to the slideshow tab. This tab is the place where all the magic happens in terms of controlling how your presentation behaves during a slideshow. It's where you'll find options to customize how your audience will experience your presentation. In this tab, look for and click on Setup Slideshow. This option opens a new window that allows you to control a variety of settings related to the timing and flow of your slides. Here's where you'll set the parameters for how you want your presentation to play out. In the Setup Show dialog box, among the options available, you'll notice a checkbox labeled Loop Continuously Until ESC. By checking this box, you're instructing PowerPoint to automatically loop your presentation back to the beginning once it reaches the end. This continuous loop is incredibly useful in situations where you want your presentation to run unattended, such as at an informational booth or exhibit. After you have checked the loop option, the next step is to simply click OK to save your changes. By doing so, your presentation is now set to loop continuously, providing a smooth and uninterrupted experience for your audience. And just like that, you're all set. Remember, if at any point you need to stop the loop, you can simply press the escape key on your keyboard during the show. It's worth taking a few practice runs before your actual event to ensure everything functions as expected, and you're comfortable with how it operates. I hope you found this guide helpful in automating your PowerPoint presentations. Implementing these steps can take your presentation strategy to the next level, offering a hassle-free experience for both you and your audience. Thank you for watching, and happy presenting!